The world of gaming hardware is constantly evolving, fueled by a quest for technology and comfort. Gamers are increasingly seeking gear that demands higher performance and better designs. Logitech has been producing high-quality accessories for gamers for a long time, and we've been closely examining them. Today, we'll be reviewing the Logitech G522 LED wireless gaming headset, a new addition to the popular Logitech G series. The Logitech G522 LIGHTSPEED combines the freedom of wireless connectivity with advanced audio technologies, promising gamers a high-quality experience. The first thing I'd like to point out is its exceptionally lightweight. At 290 grams, I found it quite comfortable, even during extended use, without causing any discomfort to my neck or head. The headset's ergonomic design is also impressive. The headset can be adjusted to fit perfectly to your head, providing added comfort. All controls are conveniently located on the left side, with the on-off button, Bluetooth button, volume wheel, and microphone on-off switch are easily accessible and quickly accessible. As I mentioned, it's all integrated. The removable microphone also provides a significant advantage, especially in multiple use scenarios. The ear cushions made of double-layer memory foam on the headset offer comfort for extended use, and the fabric coating increases durability and provides a healthier experience against the skin. Some users particularly prefer this. In other words, some specifically prefer fabric ear cushions. Therefore, it will meet their expectations. The G522 LIGHTSPEED is a headset with RGB lighting. The headset uses Logitech's lighting RGB technology. A total of 8 different lighting zones on each ear cup allow for customization. With 16.8 million color options and dynamic effects, every gamer can create a lighting pattern that reflects their own style on this headset. I also have good news for environmentally conscious users. Logitech has manufactured the G522 with 27% recycled plastic. This is an approach that is both environmentally friendly and aims to contribute to the environment in the long run. Congratulations in this regard. So, how does the G522 LIGHTSPEED perform? What is its sound quality? Let's take a look at them. Now, the headset uses 40mm Pro G drivers. These drivers can deliver balanced sound across a frequency range of 20 Hz to 20 kHz. The headset delivers particularly clear and detailed high frequencies, delivering quite impressive results. I was quite impressed with its performance. However, for users looking for more depth and power in the bass department, this headset might be a bit limited. The bass is crisp and clear. However, it might be lacking for those looking for a full and powerful bass experience. Then again, this is a gaming headset, not a music headset. In that sense, it might be subject to a different evaluation. Furthermore, Logitech's synchronous driver technology has made a significant difference in the spatial positioning of stereo sound in-game. This is especially advantageous for those playing competitive FPS games. The PC and mobile apps I've tried also offer the user the ability to customize with different sound profiles and RGB settings. DTS Headphone X surround sound support can also be enabled via Logitech G Hub. This technology helps you hear surround sounds more clearly by distinguishing 3D sound. However, it's important to note that this feature requires Windows 11 or Xbox. Windows 10 users will not receive this support. You can customize your sound profiles with the 10-watt eCooler via GP. You can create different sound settings for games. You can also manage RGB lighting and microphone settings from here. EG Hub allows you to completely customize the headset's features. The Logitech G522's microphone is designed to deliver broadcast-quality sound at 48-bit and 16-bit resolution, while Blue Voice technology allows you to customize the microphone's noise cancellation, noise filtering, and vocal settings. This feature is a great advantage for streamers and content creators. The microphone's LED indicator also lets you instantly see when the microphone is muted. The Logitech G522 offers a fast and reliable wireless connection thanks to its LIGHTSPEED dongle. The headset is instantly ready for use the moment you plug it into a USB port. If you prefer a wired connection, the headset also allows for that with the included cable. Bluetooth connectivity is also available. So, the headset offers flexible connection options for both gaming and daily use. However, it should be noted that Bluetooth and wireless light split connections cannot be used simultaneously. If you're using Bluetooth, you need to disable the LIGHTSPEED connection. When it comes to play, the G52 promises a very long wireless life. With the RGB lighting off, it offers up to 90 hours of use, and with it on, up to 40 hours. This feature is quite convenient for long gaming sessions. It also has a fast charging feature, allowing for extended use with a short charge. In conclusion, the Logitech G522 LIGHTSPEED is a strong option in the mid to higher segment among gaming headsets. Its design is comfortable. The sound quality is also very clear. However, it's worth noting that it's a bit limited in bass. However, you can compensate for this to some extent by customizing the sound profiles via the PC app. I think the headset could be an ideal choice for professional gamers who gain an advantage in competitive games and for gamers who want comfortable long-term use. The price, last time I checked, was around 9,400 lira. This price might seem a bit high compared to other headphones on the market. However, considering the features and performance offered, the price-performance ratio is quite reasonable. By the way, you can adjust the earband to your liking using the clips on the sides. That's all I have to say. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, I'm waiting in the comments. Don't forget to follow me, subscribe on YouTube and follow me on Instagram. I'm Ercan Uğurlu. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.